how to fix the glucometer error. Are you been using this machine and sometimes you start experiencing error? Okay, first thing you need to check if this strip has expired, it will start giving you error. So before you now go to any conclusions, look for another machine to to check the strip. If the strip works in another machine, meaning that the error is coming from the machine. Now, what will you do to fix the error? First, look for cotton wool. Cut your cotton wool like this with a methylated spirit. Methylated spirit. Then you open these sections of, look at it here, you press it down. This is the cover that's open here. Now you soak the methylated spirit, you soak the cotton with methylated spirit. You clean this center properly, clean it very well. When you clean this area, then the cover again, you clean the cover. If there is any, because sometimes when you are using it, blood might escape inside here. So you clean it and clean it properly. When blood escape inside here, cover this light area, they will start giving you error. So immediately you wipe it, clean it, allow it to dry, then cover it back. The error will be gone forever. Okay? If it is not powering on and the meter does not fell on the floor, then you check the battery. Maybe if you peep in, just peep off, on, off. You inside the strip, you peep on and off. That might be that the battery is dead. So try to replace the battery. If you replace the battery and it's not working, please, and you watch this video, comment on the sections. Reach me via comment on these videos. I'll reply you on what next to do. So thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel